Hi friends, that's Alex from DataStack's DevRel team, and today we are going to talk about Cassandra's consistency level and replication factor. So first thing you need to know, if you have any questions, you can go to communitydatastax.com and write these questions here. Today I got interesting question from my point of view. What happens if I set a key space with replication factor of 3 on a cluster of 2 nodes? I really like this question. So, of course, I know the answer, but I want to make a little experiment and show you how it works in real life. To make this experiment, I have a cluster of 2 nodes, and we are going to make a little experiment. Follow me. First thing I do, I go to one of our nodes web terminal, log in, so first thing we are going to need is a key space. So I'm going to create a key space. Call it test with replication simple strategy, replication factor 3. That's important. No mistake. It works very well. Next thing we will need a table. So I'm going to create a table for the key space test. Call it test. It will be, let's say, ID, type UUID primary key, and it's going to be a value, type integer. Pretty simple table, but we don't need anything else. So as at a table of the key space test, it will have replication factor 3. Now we are going to insert some data. So I'm going to insert in the test ID value values UUID to generate one and some random integer, let's say 42. Any mistakes? Nope, nothing. What's going on? We have a key space replication factor 3 on a 2-node cluster. Shouldn't it fail? Let's take a look. So, answer is here. Current consistency level is 1. So, we expect confirmation from only one node. Let's change that. I will say consistency 2 and make one more right. Let's say 43. Still no mistake. But do you guess what will happen if I say 3? No host available. We don't have enough hosts to run this request. Could you guess what will happen if I set a consistency level to quorum? It works because quorum is 50% plus 1, so in this case 2 nodes, and we have 2 nodes. But if then again I set consistency to all and try to do it again, it will fail. No host available. We don't have enough hosts. The same thing goes about the selects. So I'm going to select all from test. No host available, and then set consistency 1, consistency level set to 1, and select works. All our data is here. Ladies and gentlemen, don't be afraid to ask questions. That's why we have community.datastacks.com. And thank you for the good question. Hope I've answered that.